Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of the Daniel's fast. Today I'll be sharing with you a brown rice and beans recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a pot on medium-high heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 cup of chopped onions. We're going to saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add our beans. Beforehand, I prepped 1 cup of beans for cooking. To see how I prep my beans, the link will be found in the description. We're going to add 4 cups of water. We're going to bring to a boil. Then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper and 2 cups of brown rice. Boil for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to cover with lid and cook for 30 minutes on low-medium heat. And there you have it, brown rice and beans. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. And we all, who with unveiled faces contemplate the Lord's glory, are being transformed into his image with ever-increasing glory, which comes from the Lord, who is the Spirit. 2 Corinthians 3, verse 18.